Here in Taiwan, we span cutting-edge technologies, from automotive semiconductors and aerospace, all built on precision. And it all begins here, the machine tool industry, the foundation of every breakthrough. Today, we are bringing a new manufacturing ecosystem together. For decades, we started from zero, turning ideas into action, expanding imagination and shaping the future. And now, we move forward together to build a vision like never before. Can you feel it? Can you feel the energy that drives everything forward? The origin of vitality. Taiwan's pulse, empowering the world. TMTS 2026, AI-powered sustainable manufacturing.